Hi, we are Group 8 PetroChina. This is our second video. PetroChina is the largest natural gas distributor in China. It has large amount of capital and plenty of operational experience. Historically, it has been domestically oriented with the goal of obtaining half of its oil and gas supplies from sources outside. It is on a globalization track. In order to avoid overstated acquiring costs in the future, due to the imbalance in between supply and demand, PetroChina chose to control more natural gas resources now.
As for the institutional reasons, government policies in favor of cleaner fuels such as gas use will boost the relevant demand beyond 2017 by introducing cap and trade system. In addition, as for the liberalization of LNG trade market, government gradually permits non-state buyers to import cargoes directly from international suppliers. Since late 2014, the government has begun to allow small independent players to participate in the LNG trade scene to reduce the dominance of the state-owned enterprise.
Moreover, the inefficient energy pricing mechanism in China has seriously constrained the rational development of its energy sector, and the reform to make pricing more market-oriented. Because of the FTA, the steady political outlook in Australia offers a stable operation environment for potential foreign firms, such as PetroChina. By this way, it could gain direct benefits from technical cooperation and establish local connections instead of building its own network from scratch.
PetroChina also developed its global value chain in Australia, which has been regarded as a raw material source. In order to meet domestic demands, materials such as natural gas and oil had been generated through mergers and acquisitions with local companies. It enables PetroChina to leverage technology and managerial approaches to promote competitive petrochemicals.
In terms of its export and marketing networks, primary materials and petrochemicals are whether exported to China or retailed in Australian market, which proved to be a win-win situation as it boosts Australian resources production with PetroChina's operating experience, meet China's resources demands, and promote its chemical operations of natural resources to maximize profits. And that is all for our group. Thank you for listening.